Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm putting together an all lily bouquet in a cascading teardrop shape. I'm using artificial lilies. They're a little bit easier to work with as far as not triggering any allergies because lilies do have a strong aroma to them and not getting any pollen on anything. So using artificial lilies, I would say is better than using the real lilies, but it's all personal preference. When putting together a bouquet of just all one flower or even all one color, it's a lot easier to do. So if you're looking for an easy bouquet that has a big effect, I would do this bouquet. And even done in white stargazer lilies would be beautiful too. So I just kind of make the dome shape using my lilies and then bend over the last few lilies to get that teardrop cascading effect. So it wraps around your hand, kind of points down and gives a little bit of a dramatic look to the bouquet. I'm going to use the mint green foliage to work around the base of the bouquet. I want to hide my mechanics so that nobody has a clue on how this bouquet went together. And you can tell them you worked months and months and months on it, and it probably will only take you about 20 minutes. So it's a real easy, fun bouquet. And like I said, if it was done in white as well, that would be even more beautiful. I do like the touch of color. I'm kind of a color person, so that's why I have those stargazers there. But working with one color or one flower is so much easier because you don't have to fight over what is the focal flower or what colors are going to go better where or spacing them out evenly. So it's kind of a no-brainer bouquet. The same principles that I do here can also be applied to fresh if you prefer the fresh flowers. I would just use some more lilies so that you can get that bend down a little bit easier. Just allow it to push itself down without breaking. And once I have everything all together, I'm going to use a chenille stem. And I do recommend using like a pipe cleaner chenille stem. It's going to hold these lilies together tighter, and the stem of the lily is very round, which means that it's going to spin easily. So you want that real nice tight grip. And there we go. So once it's all together, I'll trim up the end and do up the stem of the bouquet, and